Welcome to Techlipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit picture color on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. After that open up any document, and you can see in my document a picture is already created. So just select the picture. After that you can find a new tab, then just click on picture format tab. From here just click on rotation option. You can find rotate under the arrange option at the top right corner, and then click on more rotation options. From here just click on picture icon and then click on picture color, and that's it. Now here you can find some option: color saturation, color tone, color temperature, and you can customize or edit your picture color from here. Here you can see a slider. By removing the slider you can increase or decrease your picture saturation. That's it. Also if you want to increase color temperature, just select it, and here it is. And that is how you can edit picture color on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.